So I have arrived at the Pan Pacific Hotel, and that's what it looks like. And going to check in now. We'll see how that goes. Hotel is quite cool, isn't it? Hey, it's Joseph here. I am in a different environment here today because I am at a hotel in Vancouver, BC. I'm actually here for 2022 SketchUp 3D Basecamp, and they're having a user conference here. Here I am again. So I've got a whole week of exciting days with SketchUp, so expect more video content. But yeah, I just wanted to tell you that I'm out here. If you guys also watch my channel and happen to be out here, please come and say hi. I'll be delighted to see any of you who watch any of my videos, and hopefully I'll get to meet some familiar faces this time of the year as well. Because since pandemic, this is my very first conference that I have attended, so I have lots of things that I have missed out for quite a while. Anyways, I think the registration is now up, so let me go over there and register and check out what the place is like.